Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, I want to give you a couple of announcements as well as some updated travel information for a couple of events that Aaron and I are planning on traveling to this year. So first off, I wanted to wish you all a very happy new year. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Aaron and I have talked a lot about this past year, about 2018. We have so much to be thankful for. It was a big year for us. I mean, we started it off on January 12th by having Benjamin, huge life changer. So great in so many ways and hard in other ways. Like my life perspective has changed so much on now that I'm a mom and kind of realizing all that entails and, you know, trying to work still and like do a lot of projects. It was just a wild year, and I'm so surprised by how much we actually were able to get done around here, the projects that were on our list. So anyway, we are just so thankful for everything that happened this year. We're thankful for you guys, your support, all the comments and messages and gifts you guys have sent. It's just been amazing. It's such a wonderful community of people, and we are so thankful for you. So anyway, first announcement, I just found out that flower pillows are available for pre-order at provenwinners.com. I know that that's been kind of a really interesting subject for a lot of us. I've done several videos about flower pillows, so I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew. There are 26 different recipes available. So you can get on and like pick your favorite colors. It's super easy and fast, free shipping. You can select whatever ship date you want. Of course, they're not shipping now. It'll be later on once it warms up. But we will link a couple of the flower pillow videos down below if you want to learn a little bit more about it. But really quickly, what they are is like a giant tea bag that has 5 plant plugs in it, and they're usually all different. And those plant plugs, you just like plant the whole tea bag in a pot, and then the tea bag biodegrades, the flowers grow, and it just takes so much guesswork out of it. I think they're really good for both beginners because it helps get your feet underneath you. You can kind of learn about what's compatible, what grows well together without having to choose the plant yourself. And then also really good for busy people. So if you don't have time to go put together containers, it's really easy just to order some flower pillows, pop them in your containers, and you're done. So anyway, we will link that down below. And next, I wanted to give you some updated information. First of all, you can go to gardenanswer.com/events, and it lists all of our events that we have coming up with as much updated information as we have. So we will be updating it throughout the year as we get more information, but we actually have some solid dates for a couple of the shows that we're going to be attending. So first off, and I'm looking at my phone because I don't have this memorized, but on March 1st, we will be at the Southern Spring Home and Garden Show in Charlotte, North Carolina. We have a few different time slots that we're going to be in specific spots. So if you guys are, like any of you are planning on being there, if you want to like make sure you're at the Proven Winners booth at a certain time, I'll be able to meet you, and I think that would be so awesome. So from noon to 1, we're going to be actually doing a Q&A. I'm not sure exactly where that's going to be at the show, but we'll update that information when we get it. From 1 to 2 p.m., we will be at the Proven Winners booth for kind of a meet and greet. 2 to 3 p.m. we'll be doing another Q&A, and 3 to 4 p.m. we will be doing another meet and greet at Proven Winners booth. So there's several opportunities for me to hopefully meet some of you guys. I hope you come out for this show. This is the first time Aaron and I will be able to go to this specific flower show, so I'm really, I guess home and garden show. I'm really looking forward to it because they're usually really inspirational. Next one, March 3rd, we will be in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania at the Philadelphia Flower Show. Aaron and I got to go 2 years ago, I think, and it was amazing. The entry display had like some 40,000 plus bulbs, like tulips in bloom, huge. It was Holland was the theme. It was just amazing. It was so, like I got so many ideas and I met so many cool people at that show. So anyway, we will be doing a Q&A at 4:30 p.m. on March 3rd at that show. And then also at 5:30 p.m. we will be doing a meet and greet at the Proven Winners booth. So that is that trip. The next event is in June, and it's actually taking place here in my hometown. There is a Facebook page called Garden Answer Groupies that actually wasn't started by Aaron or I, but it was started by a gal by the name of Heather Jackson, who we were able to meet a couple years ago at the Grand Garden Show. It's now a huge gardening group. Like there's 30,000 plus people, I believe, probably close to 40,000 at this point, people involved in this group. And it's very interactive and a very positive place. There's not a whole lot of negativity that goes on. If there is, it's taken care of immediately. It's just a really fun group, I think. And there's a couple of ladies within the group. Their names are Linda and Laura, and they're organizing a kind of field trip here to my hometown where people who buy tickets can come and tour my garden. They can tour my parents' garden, our garden center, my parents' garden center, as well as attend a bunch of classes, and there will be a community service project as well. I don't have a lot of firmed up information on this, but we will update our website as we get information. But like I said, I think it's the first weekend in June. You can also request to be part of the Garden Answer Groupies Facebook page and get more information there as well. And the last trip scheduled for this year is August 25th through the 27th. It's to the Grand Garden Show put on by Proven Winners on Mackinac Island in Michigan. And this show is amazing. This is like a bucket list item, I think, or I think it should be, because I think you guys would love it. Aaron and I have been lucky enough to go twice before in the past. I'll try to remember to link the videos that we put together when we were on Mackinac down below, so you can kind of get a feel for the island. It's like a step back in time. There's no cars. It's all horse and buggy and bicycles. It's just a really neat place, and you get to tour beautiful gardens, go to classes, beautiful dinners. I mean, it's just an amazing time. So that's the last trip we have planned for this year. If we have any additional things that we're going to go to, we will be sure to let you guys know. And tickets are available right now. If you go to our website, gardenanswer.com/events, and then look at that event, it's the last one on the page, there is a little thing that says click here to register. If you click that, it'll take you to the Proven Winners website where you can register or read more about the event if you want to. And the last thing for this video is actually a question I wanted to ask you guys. So we have a ton of projects planned for 2019. We're already working on, actually we have our plant orders all buttoned up and sent off. We just have like a lot of fun stuff coming up. I'm looking forward to it, but I want to know what you guys want to see, because I know a lot of you guys who have been following us for a lot of years, you'll see a lot of areas again that you've seen before be planted up again this year. And we do have some other things we're going to be doing off-site this year, some other big projects we want to do here at the house, but I want to know what you guys want to learn about. So just leave me a comment down below. I'm going to read through all of them. I'll probably start a list, and I hopefully will be able to start like checking them off and like do some of those things that you guys really want to learn about. So anyway, that's it for this video. I know it's a little bit different than normal, but I just wanted to make sure you guys had all the information, and I would like some information back. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see for 2019. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.